Welcome people, welcome back. Friday night garage night. Apologies for last week, but we decided to have a week off last week. You know how it is this time of the year, so we're back tonight. I have done some work during the week. I've put that panel on with the wheel arch on, so we've got the other side to do. So the process is basically the exact same, and no, it doesn't. I'll show you what I mean. So we've started to weld the flooring as well, so my son will probably finish off some holes on this side just to fill in, and then hopefully we'll get the back panel on as well. So sit back, relax, enjoy, and we'll catch you in a minute. Thank you. Alright, my boys and girls, welcome back. That's just done for the night. As you can see, we've got this is one I've done during the week, obviously, but you've seen us doing the other side. This side's identical as to onto the other side there. As you can see, we come round, finish off the floor. Still some bits and pieces to fill in. The back panel is just it's not welded in yet, and there's a few tweaks to do with that. I'll show you why. As you can see, the wing coming down here, and it meets this pillar. It's coming out quite about a good half an inch there. It's because it's catching this panel inside here in this corner, so we need to dress that part of the wing. Just cut that wee piece out to help that wing to come back in. On the same again on the other side as well. But no, I'm happy with what's happened so far. It's looking good. That's all spot welded in. Obviously, I've got to dress this edge off yet. As you can see, the difference in that flange. It's quite a bit on this side here. So we'll get it all cleaned up and all dressed up. But no, I'm happy with that, and we can maybe start on this piece as well, just shortly too. So the idea with that is we'll just put a tape across this edge, make a straight edge, and we'll cut that rotten bit out. Then we'll fold up 2 pieces of steel to fold into there to make a new piece for the bottom. And obviously we need to try and do something with this with the old bead roller. That'll be fun in games. I have got the back lights to go on as well. As you can see, they've arrived. That's the panels here to go on at the back. They're all right. One of them I'm not very happy with. It's quite bumpy on that side. I don't know if it's just to send it back and get another one. I'm not sure. But as it meets up the floor, I'll show you something on the floor there. As that meets the floor, you'll see, and that goes in like that. There's a gap here. Now that's not. I know what you're going to say. Bring the floor back, but you can't do that either, because if you bring the floor back, your wheel wells won't line up with your wings. You know what I mean? So therefore, it's in the right position. It's definitely in the right place. I've checked the old ones.
I didn't do it, is there?
There's a plate in there somewhere on the older ones, so because I did panic when I seen it. I thought, oh no, shit, you know. But when you think about it, if you bring that floor back, these wheel wells won't fit in line with the wings. So again, it's not an original panel anyway. You know, it's made by hand basically. So but when I looked at the older ones, there's definitely plates underneath. You can see it there. It's all bits of angle iron and all sorts in there. So I'm not going to panic just yet until we come to do that. So so hopefully next week we'll get that back panel back in.
I'll do you next week.
Oh yeah. Oh right.
Maybe come in on Thursday. So maybe come in.
Aye. Might do it on Thursday then, because I can get that bit done. Because I've got some work to do on my own car anyway. It failed its MOT, so I need to put some new back pads on the back of it. So I need to get that sorted. But I'm happy with that. What's happened tonight, and hope you've enjoyed it. And we'll catch you again next week. Okay, thank you. Bye.